Hi everyone, I'm Juncheng, and I'm here to present to you on the computer engineering program in NUS. Firstly, a little about myself. I'm currently a final year computer engineering undergraduate who is also under the Engineering Scholars Program, short form eScholars. If you want to find out more about the scholarship, you can refer to the own sharing session during the open house. I'm also under IEEE at the Kappa Nu Honor Society, which is an honor society for talented and top-performing electrical and computer engineering students in NUS. My current interest lies in embedded systems, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and quantum computing. Before I go into academics, I would like to emphasize that NUS students are not nerds. We have vibrant life outside of school, and I am no exception. Among all my hobbies, two of my favorite hobbies are art making and fishing. I enjoy making both traditional fine arts like watercolor, paintings, and comics, as well as digital illustrations. In my free time, I also enjoy going outdoors to the shorelines of Singapore and catch all kinds of fish. I'm currently also a product tester for a locally grown fishing brand, and my role is to help them to test whether their products are effective at catching the fish of Singapore. Now, back to academics. Why did I choose computer engineering as my degree in NUS? Like many of you, probably, at the point of admission to university, you're still unsure of what to pursue in the future exactly. I knew I wanted to do something computation related in the future, but I wasn't sure if I want to focus on the hardware side, which are the computational building blocks, or the software side, which are more of the applications of computation. And that's why the computer engineering program in NUS provides just the right exposure and breadth for me to make an informed decision on my future career path. Computation is usually described by an instruction set architecture shown on the slide. It starts from the most basic building blocks of electronic components, building up to larger components, and finally to a computing architecture where we can implement code, algorithms, and build end-user applications, which you will see on a daily basis. This curriculum will cover all of these layers and expose you to how each layer works so that you can figure out whether or not this lies in your interest. Beyond academics, NUS also offers a wide range of opportunities for holistic development and technical development. One of my most promising experiences in NUS so far has been the student exchange program to the University of Colorado Boulder in the United States. This has been an amazing learning experience, exposed me to so many areas I would not have been exposed to in Singapore, such as independent living in a foreign environment, managing cultural shocks and differences, and really having lots and lots of fun. Me and my exchange buddies went on road trips to many of the national parks in the United States and were amazed by the landscapes we saw. I was also exposed to some state-of-the-art research in quantum computing, which helped me to narrow down on why I wanted to pursue this area as an interest in the future. As my interest in fishing, I also picked up a new style of fishing called fly fishing, which was challenging but promising. If you're short on time or expenditure, you can also consider some of the shorter overseas studies programs in NUS, like summer or winter school. I personally went on a winter school exchange to Korea in the first year winter of my undergraduate journey. There, I learned statistics at Korea University while also getting to experience all kinds of Korean cuisine and visiting the tourist locations that were always posted on Instagram. Beyond holistic development, NUS also offers many opportunities for technical development. So in order for you to hone the skills and knowledge that you have gained through the courses and apply them to practical uses. There are many opportunities for external competitions and hackathons that are always often broadcasted on the channels you will receive. I represented NUS at the AI Student Challenge Singapore, as well as the Intel Cup Electronic Design Contest. In addition, you will also get to have many opportunities for industry visits and get to know what industry leaders expect of fresh graduates and what skills are relevant to the industry. Finally, you have chances to take on your own aspirational projects under professors. Me and my friends formed the AI interest group called AI Thinking in order to teach students in the NUS body how to effectively use generative AI for their work and beyond. Finally, you can be assured that when you're done or when you hit the dead end, there'll always be like-minded peers around you who help to support you through the hard times. Through my undergraduate journey, I've met many friends through different avenues, such as competitions, project group mates, exchange, my fellow engineering scholars, as well as friends I met through on-campus living in Residential College 4. They remain a memorable part of my memory to today. Some final words. It's perfectly normal to be unsure of what you want to do in the future at this point. Just keep an open mind, follow what your heart wants to follow, and see with eyes unclouded to make an informed decision on what career path you want to pursue in the future. Finally, here are some QR codes you can refer to find out more about the programs we offer at NUS. On top is the QR code for the Electrical and Computer Engineering program, and at the bottom is the QR code for other CDE programs you can consider at NUS. Thank you.